Trade Fair and Regional Riding Skills Competition would like to thank the following sponsors: Laos Group Motorbikes, Harley Davidson, EFX Motorcycle Depot, Trimax Lubricants, Mookum Helmets, BLC Cycle, Bike Night Asia, Moto Market, Armschool, Han Resorts, Xenia Hotels and Resorts, Air Force City Officers Club, AFPFC Multi-Purpose Cooperative, ACDI Multi-Purpose Cooperative, Air Material Wing Savings and Loans Association Inc., Armed Forces and Police Savings and Loans Association Inc., Composite Wing Savings and Loans Association Inc., Fernando Airbus, Savings and Loans Association Inc., Air Cavaliers Credit Cooperative, Clark Loney House, Goldilocks, and to all the PAF units and different staff offices of headquarters. Proceeds will be used to support the different projects and activities of Townol Autism Support Program, which provides assistance and services to Philippine Air Force dependents diagnosed with autism spectrum disorder.
From BLC Cycle, the company that brought us the biggest and the first state-of-the-art Kawasaki crib in the Philippines now, comes another new flagship showroom and service center of Kawasaki in the Philippines. Our 1,800 square meter floor area showroom and service center boasts of a one-of-a-kind world-class high-tech facility with up-to-date diagnostic systems and complete special tools, able to carry out all maintenance and repair works in accordance with Kawasaki Heavy Industries Japan. This is the first and only Kawasaki showroom and service center in the world that has a state-of-the-art official MotoGP motorcycle simulation training facility. A truly world-class Kawasaki crib. Our center offers more than just a place to appreciate Kawasaki's ultimate leisure bikes. On the second floor is a world-class lounge, featuring our high-end amenities with conference room, a fine dining restaurant, an outdoor bar, and a high-tech MotoGP training simulation system where our clients can hone their riding skills. These are available for the exclusive use of our customers. Our center offers convenient finance and insurance packages to all our valued clients. Our company's commitment is to provide our customers the best leisure bike experience in the world, backed by our superior and excellent after-sale service. Kawasaki Leisure Bikes Kappa Starlak, the newest and most exciting Kawasaki flagship showroom and service center in the Philippines. Brought to you by BLC Cycle, the leader in the best Kawasaki leisure bike showrooms and service centers in the Philippines. Visit our showroom now for the best Kawasaki experience.